எல்லோருக்கும் வணக்கம். Hi everyone. Today I am going to share few informations about Nava Kailasam in Tirunelveli. Nava Kailasam refers to 9 individual ancient temples of Lord Shiva in southern districts of Tamil Nadu. These temples are located in the districts of Tirunelveli and Tuticorin. Sage Agasthyar was doing penance in the Podigai hills. One of his prime disciples was Uromacha Munivar to get liberation. The Lord wanted to bless this to him through his Guru Agasthyar. Agasthyar put 9 flowers in the river and asked Uromacha Munivar to install a Sivalingam as Kailashanadar. Whenever the flowers stuck on the bank and finally bathed and worshipped the Lord in the place where the river joins the ocean. By doing so, he would get what he wished. Followed his Guru's words, he worshipped Lord Shiva in the 9 places where the 9 flowers stopped in the form of Shivalingam, and finally bathed in the place where Tamirabarani joined the ocean and got liberated. These 9 abodes are called Nava Kailasam. Nava Kailayam. In my previous post, I have shared about the first Nava Kailasam, Pabanasham. Today, the second divine temple, that is Arulmigu Kailashanadar temple in Cheran Mahadevi. This temple is to be highly recommended, highly remembered, that during all religious important days and the auspicious days for long hours, it is one of the most sought after Lord Shiva temple in southern India. Swayambhu Lingam, known as Ammainadar, Kailasanadar, and his consort Avudai Nayagi are Oppila Nayagi Amman. That means the one having no comparison, be it beauty or anything. Tirtham, the holy water, is river Tamirabarani, and the place is considered as Tingal Sthalam, Tingal means moon. Especially Nava Kailasham, it recommends, it refers each and every one of the Nava Graham. Pabanasham we have already discussed and we already saw. Pavanasam, Surya Sthalam, Kailashanatha temple, Tingal Sthalam. In our life, it is very important. We must have to visit this temple once to get Lord Shiva's blessings. Om Namah Shivaya.